I made a new YouTube channel because I needed a new vehicle and I couldn't help myself with a car company basically giving away free money with 0.99% APR financing, so I ended up pulling the trigger on a Tesla Model Y. And do you really own a Tesla if you don't have a YouTube channel about it? I thought long and hard about possibly just including new Tesla videos on this channel, but I think I want to keep this one for broader car and home stuff, while this new one will focus on this one specific vehicle. And I suspect the subscribers here probably aren't super interested in a lot of videos that will focus on a specific Tesla car and vice versa. I'm basically going to be using this new vehicle as a project car to do a lot of modifications and experiments on, many of the lessons from which should carry over to other non-Tesla vehicles as well. It will also be more of a two-way conversation, and I'll be sort of learning as I go along, because while I do know a fair amount about cars in general, I don't know a ton about the software and technology of electric and self-driving cars specifically, and this thing is basically an iPad with wheels. So if you're curious and you find yourself in this overlap of this channel and Tesla, a like and subscribe over there would be a huge help. The channel is appropriately named Optimized Tesla. As always, thanks for all the support.